Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Obsidian and Claude code so you can turn your notes and coding workflow into one connected system. By the end, you'll have a setup where you can open a terminal inside Obsidian, launch Claude code directly, and work without constantly switching apps. It keeps everything focused, fast, and in one place. Start by opening the Obsidian app and loading the vault you want to work in. This matters because everything we set up today will live inside that vault, including your terminal access and any project files you want Claude to interact with. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. Inside the Settings panel, navigate to Community Plugins. This is where Obsidian allows you to extend functionality beyond basic note-taking. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Terminal and look for a trusted terminal plugin. Once you find it, click Install, then enable it. This plugin is what allows you to run command line tools directly inside Obsidian instead of switching to an external terminal. After enabling it, close Settings and return to your workspace. On the left sidebar, you should now see a terminal icon. Click it, then choose the Integrated Terminal option. This will dock the terminal inside Obsidian so you can use it alongside your notes. Open the terminal at your Vault root directory. This step is important because it ensures Claude can see your project structure correctly. When the terminal starts in the right location, all file paths and commands behave exactly as expected. Now type Claude into the terminal and press Enter. This launches Claude code inside your Obsidian environment. If your system already has Claude authenticated, it may sign you in automatically. If not, just follow the login prompt and continue. At this point, you've connected your workspace. You can now run commands, inspect files, and interact with Claude while keeping your notes right next to it. It turns Obsidian into a lightweight development and thinking environment instead of just a note app. One useful habit here is to keep your terminal panel open while you work through tasks. That way, you can ask Claude to explain errors, generate snippets, or refactor code while still referencing your notes. It reduces context switching and keeps your workflow much more stable. Another helpful tip is to treat your vault like a live project workspace. If you're working on code, documentation, or even structured notes, keep everything inside the same folder system. Claude performs better when the structure is clean and predictable, especially when it can reference related files easily. You can also resize the terminal panel depending on your workflow. If you're writing or reviewing notes, keep it small. If you're actively debugging or running commands, expand it so you can see full outputs clearly. Small adjustments like this make the setup much more usable day to day. If the Claude command doesn't work, it usually means it's not installed or not added to your system path yet. Fixing that outside Obsidian will automatically make it available inside the terminal as well. Once everything is running, you can start combining tasks. Ask Claude to summarize code, generate new files, explain project structure, or even help you plan features while you document everything inside Obsidian at the same time. It becomes a single connected workspace for thinking and building. And that's it. You installed a terminal plugin inside Obsidian, opened an integrated terminal at your Vault root directory, and launched Claude code directly inside your workspace. Now you can move between writing, coding, and AI assistance without breaking your flow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.